was really concerned to hear that the relationship between Maya and
you was
Luke
gonna be
is
sitting in
frayed.
the tub or
It
the
seems
sink or something.
You be sitting in the sink.
You know, get that bucket right there. Make sure you got some toilet paper right there.
You can use that.
All you gotta do is put some water in that bucket.
That's a trash can.
You
Go
good.
and use it.
Well, put some water in the trash can.
They fighting over the bathroom.
See, now she's gonna put this on MySpace and all that crap, man. People gonna be
I'm
watching
putting it on YouTube.
What's the title? Fighting for the shit?
Yup. The shit house.
I think Ava taking a shit now.
Knock on the door.
Nah, y'all. You
Knock on the door.
Stay right there, y'all. Stay right
Don't tell
there.
me to stay right here, man.
Fuck that shit,
Let me
y'all.
find out what she
I
doing.
can wait there. No, I can wait.
Just
Hey,
knock
yo,
on the
find out
door.
what she doing.
Alright, just stay. Yo, stop pushing me, man.
Yo, come on, man. What you doing?
You still
It's
pushing me.
not like I'm going in the bathroom while she in there, man. How you gonna open the door?
Oh, I think she's shitting. She ain't paying. She's
Ask her if she poo-pooing.
You drinking? Oh, hell, yo.
She stink too, don't she?
She got little chocolate pebbles and shit. Damn, she pumped both of them.
Hurry up, Ava.
Man, that's just messed up. She had to go pee and she get on there and drop a few kids up in there.
Yeah! What's up, cuz? We're on camera, baby.
I'm still getting in, I don't care.
Come on, too slippery, y'all.
They fighting over the bathroom. Oh, you are too funny for me. Oh my goodness. These are funny.
You tired yet?
Who? You? What?
You tired?
Check with Ava again. Make sure she's alright. Uh-oh.
Yo, my stomach. That around my stomach.
His shit's gonna come out if you keep on grabbing his stomach.
What you doing? I can't.
Uh-oh.
What you got this shirt for? What is all that? Hurry up!
You need to wipe Ava's ass.
Pick that up.
They wore each other out. They're gonna shit themselves in a minute.
You got me.
He's falling and he can't get up.
He's stuck in my foot.
Look at her. What the hell is that big one carrying that for to hurt that girl ass? She videoing shit.
That's even shit. They fighting to come in here. Wait a minute. You sit back in here. Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be a nasty YouTube or something. Come on, man.
do is give up.
I ain't giving up.
Okay, huh?
You both of you are gonna shit yourselves. One of you's gotta go.
I can wait. You know what I mean?
I can wait too.
Okay.
You ain't got enough film, do you?
Oh yes, I do. I can wait. I can wait forever.
Took the air out of me, yo.
Huh?
Took the air out of me.
That's why you trying to mess my arms like that.
Weak, yo.
Huh?
Okay, hug, makeup. Somebody should take a shit.
Don't even try that shit. Don't even try it.
What you talking about?
You up to something. You got that look like you already dressed. Don't even try it, yo.
It's uncut.
I guess it's going to take it. What bud's in there?